or more I can't see where person they use condemn table fan coil they make welding machine. I never see them. I beg when I watch this video, I beg no need to they waste your money, they go welder again. The solution is right there before you. Somebody they use condemn table fan, that your table fan, I beg not true one carry and come person day we go use and convert and they make welding machine. Watch this video now from beginning to the end and share it. Thank you. This was how he started. He got a condemn fan, looked for the fan motor inside with the coil. He opened it. As you can see how he's opening it gradually, making sure that the coils are intact. He dislodged the unit. You can see the coil inside well intact. Now he got a yellow cable, a flexible yellow cable, about 3 coil, trying to wind it round the coils. This is how you would do it yourself and you get everything he's doing now. So he's winding it. This is the yellow coil, a flexible one, about 3 coil wire, flexible wire. Then he got same with the red wire differently. Now he's bringing out a pan. This is an iron sheet pan. He places them in a different position facing each other. Now he's cutting a PVC pipe. This is a PVC pipe like 5 cm. Now he's trying to place some glues around it to get it firmed. Now he places the PVC wire in between the 2 coils that are being wrapped in red and yellow flexible cables. Now he's trying to intertwine the cables round the PVC. Note this practical is done outside your home. Please do not try this at home. You can do this in the workshop that has a safety regulation. Now there is a 6-volt battery. He places it in there, get it in touch in each terminals. He tests it. There is power. The question is how did he generate the energy inside? Watch closely. Now he's connecting the wire around an iron. Now he places another iron against another. This is a welding rod. Trying to test it. He places it there and he tests. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This power should be more than 250 volts. 250 volts. So actually you can generate electricity with a condemned fan cables if well drafted properly. Wow, this is technology. Please share this video and let someone learn a new thing. Share this video now. Share this video now, please. This exercise should be done outside your home in a workshop where there is safety precautions. Okay, now he will test it again with another iron and see if it will weld. Places it on top the negative terminal with a welding rod. Oh my god, oh my god, this is massive, this is massive, this is massive, this is massive. Generating electricity by just with fan motor, condemned fan motor. So why will you waste your money by going to a welder? Why the solution just lie beside you? You can actually do this. This is technology. This is invention. This is technology.